XYZ stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief and short 1-minute video till the end. Find out. This is interesting because I can say that we block stock. The pre-market is bro far past my targets, and that's fair, I guess. Like, I'm not gonna see here, you know, if it gaps up, it gaps out. There's nothing I can do about it. I mean, I just hoped I saw the price pull down and give me that shift. Now it's 6:23 Eastern time AM, right? So like, even though there is time, like 3 hours until market opens, bro, there's just no way that the price just, you know, comes down from this being this pre-market. I mean, there is, but very unlikely. I mean, I like it. Like, my timing is still going to be always to trying to catch myself in a long position, but you know, you just have to be patient. You know, everything's supposed to be bought. You know what I mean? So I'll continue to keep you updated. I mean, XYZ, I do have previous receipts in the Discord with 2 results here. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I will see you up in the next one.